Welcome back to Storytime. Today I have another story which is called First Day at Skeleton School. This is by Lloyd, creator of the Calm Down Boris. Before we get started, please subscribe and like. This means so much to me. So, let's get started. Deep dark in this dark forest, lurking amongst the trees, there's a creepy nighttime school no humans ever see. Listen, can you hear it? Ooh, there's a scary noise. Welcome, smiles Mr. Bones. Meet the spooky girls and boys. Skeleton School. It's their first day at Skeleton School. They rattle, fly, and float. Let's go inside and look around. Watch out for monster moat. First is an assembly. Next is a creeping song. Ow! Goes Walter Werewolf. He loves to howl along. But what do you learn at Skeleton School? Shall we go and see? Along the secret passageway to the haunted library. Wendy Witch is showing off the silly nincompoop. Pussycat falls from her broom while doing the loop-de-loop. No daredevil stunts. Don't do that. In dance class, little skeleton jingle jangle to the beat. Sony Skeleton looks so cool when he bops his bony feet. At lunchtime, zombies cook and serve delicious things to eat. Snake sausages, beetle burgers, and pizza with moldy meat. We want zombies with our chips. With their rotary roar, we don't want to eat, friends. Put Zach back on the floor. Yippee! Now it's playtime. Mr. Bones zoomed down a slide. Bigfoot loves hide and seek, but he finds it's hard to hide. Over it in Cobweb Corner, look, there's Fred and Ted. They're playing a game of throw and catch with Frankie's big green head. The ghosts learn how to float through walls while calling out, woo! But Gary Ghost has a bump. Woo! He's not sure what to do. It's lucky that the nice school nurse is an Egyptian mummy. Got lots of bandages around her big old tummy. Frankly's in the sick room too. He's feeling a bit groggy. He's in a funny muddle now between his head and body. Wizard Wilfo waves his wand. Crack-a-bang, the cauldron flickers. Good grief, now Mr. Bones has on a pair of frilly knickers. Skeleton School is over. That's enough mischief for tonight. Be careful now. Get home before daylight. Listen, can you hear it? That's a scary noise. On the way to the human school are little girls and boys. The end. Skeleton School. And here's everybody at Skeleton School. This is what it looks like. The end. I hope you enjoyed that amazing story. Please subscribe and like. See you later in another story.